Me have the biggest tune on wyfl rhythm so far with the biggest artist. Howdy, when this ken. Well, because bad one, you know Mama Belly I go wife for that. But what you want to do? What I really want to do is I want to play the biggest tunes. Everybody know wyfl, right? The biggest tune so far in 2026, so they are April. I have the biggest tune on wyfl. I just want to know that's why we did not happen. Play it, Nyah. I have the biggest tune on wyfl rhythm so far with the biggest artist. Would you believe there's a new artist? The newest artist, the baddest, biggest artist on the biggest, baddest rhythm this blood cleat here. You hear me?
All I love. One Liberty, one Tipperdown, one Beverly. Check it out. Hey! Take care out of my yard. Take care out of my yard.
Pull up!
Hey! Take care out of my yard.